Welcome back to our Involved Asia and Cryptocurrency YouTube channel. Today's our CryptoBlades Play to Earn Gameplay 111. May pasok na kasi ako mamayang 11 o'clock AM. So magta-try akong mag-combat kahit nasa hindi pa totally full yung stamina ko. Based dito sa information na nakikita ko, nasa 100 plus stamina pa lang yung na-accumulate ko from the last time na naglaro ako ng ating CryptoBlades Play to Earn gameplay number 110. So para lang ma-maximize natin yung time sa paglalaro ng CryptoBlades. So simulan na natin yung first combat natin. First Warrior Lightning Element Combat. So gagamit lang ako ng 80. So papayagan niya tayong mag-combat ng 80 stamina. Ayan. Okay, based sa information na nakita ko sa Combat Simulator CryptoBlades Tracker, regardless kung water element or lightning element sword ang gagamitin ko, mababa lang ang win rate. Yung first warrior na lightning element with lightning element sword, lalabanan natin ng ating third opponent na lightning element din yung opponent. Pero 16,568 lang ang attack power. So fight. Okay, na-click na yung MetaMask, waiting for fight result. Okay, nanalo tayo sa first combat natin. Second combat, water element. Okay, based sa information na nakikita natin for our second warrior, parehas mababa ang win rate regardless kung anong weapon yung gamitin ko. Okay, so ang gagawin ko dito, ikikip natin yung water element sword natin for our water element warrior, and then lalabanan ko ang may pinaka mababang attack power. Itong fire element na 18,000 plus. So fight. Okay, na-click na yung MetaMask, waiting for fight results. While waiting for the fight results for our second combat, you can click on the About section of our Involved Asia and Cryptocurrency YouTube channel to view the complete disclaimer statement. Please remember that all information on this website is published in good faith and for general information purpose only. Any action that you take upon the information you find on this website, Involved Asia and Cryptocurrency YouTube channel, is strictly at your own risk. Okay, check na natin yung results ng ating second combat. Okay, nanalo din tayo. Okay, let's proceed with our third combat. Wow, tatlong very likely victory kahit papano. Ayan, i-check natin ngayon yung Combat Simulator CryptoBlades tracker natin. Ayan, medyo promising kahit papano compared dun sa kanina. So talagang water element sword ang dapat gamitin. So lalabanan ko na yung second opponent na fire element. Okay, so na-click na yung MetaMask, waiting for fight result. Okay, nanalo ulit tayo. Okay, so huling combat na lang lightning element. Lightning element sword muna tayo. May tatlong very likely. Okay, check natin sa Combat Simulator. So mag-stick tayo sa lightning sword and lalabanan natin yung third opponent. Lightning sword, third opponent. Fight. Okay, so nanalo lahat ng warriors natin. Now, i-check naman natin yung earnings natin. Based sa information na nakikita nyo sa screen, tumaas to 3.7682 skill yung earnings natin. Okay, so yung kinita natin sa combat na to ay 0.0166. Pero yung ginamit lang naman natin ay 80 stamina. As of the recording of this video, tumaas by 1.6% ang value or price action ng CryptoBlades skill token sa cryptocurrency market. Ayan, so 3.7682 skill is equal to 956.59 pesos. Ito na yung accumulated earnings natin, pero yung kinita talaga natin sa actual gameplay alone, kumita tayo ng 4.21 pesos. Okay. Siyempre kasi 80 stamina lang naman yung ginamit natin. Kahit pa paano naman nakadagdag siya sa ating skill rewards. More fruitful gains everyone, and remember to subscribe to our Involved Asia and Cryptocurrency YouTube channel. Bye for now.